Hi guys, sun is shining. That fan thing is working, but we're going to take it apart and do the other three that we haven't done yet. So we've done that one. Now we'll do this one, which is basically an aeroplane that goes round and round, roundabout style. So we still need that base, but we need this piece. On top. That off for now. So that's, oh, we don't need that piece on there either. So that's going to sit on there and spin round. A5, which will be that one. Any difference which way round it goes? I don't think so. Let's just do that. Okay, that's going on there. A9. That piece, which looks very similar to that piece, and that piece is A6, that piece is A9. The difference being that one's got a bit of an angle on it. That's going to go in there. That is going to go on there. Okay, this one doesn't want that propeller on it. What's that piece? A10. A11 here. A3 is that propeller. That's going to go on there. That's going to go on there. That's going to go on there, and that's going to sit on there like that. And that's going to go on there, and now obviously the sun has gone in. It was out earlier this morning, but it's not there now. So we'll use my halogen light, which will probably cause a flicker. I think we want it to go the other way around, don't we? Right, I'll swap those wires over. That's my LiPo batteries charged down there. Switch that off. There we go. Right, okay, put that on there again. Mix up with 3. Sunlight going on. Job done. It's a shame the sun went in, because earlier on it was fine. So that's that one done. Next, I really can't see a great deal of difference other than that one's supposed to look like a helicopter. And instead of having the tall pillar, it's down at the bottom. Oh, and we've got to change that little peg that goes in there. Right, we'll do that on the next video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.